when I'm in the streets. DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing.
Yo people, DSG Panther here. Today we're actually going out in the POV drive in the Polo GTI. So as you all know, we've just got the car back. Obviously it was almost stage 2 ready, but the gearbox blew up, so we are now back to stock power, but it's still fully straight pipe. So we're going to cold start it to see what it sounds like. I don't think you guys have actually heard the cold start on this car yet. It is so stupid. Woo-hoo-hoo! Listen to that. I can't, that is a cold start. That is actually a solid cold start. It's so loud. It's literally the loudest cold start I've ever heard on a Polo GTI. Like, what Polo GTI has got a louder cold start than that? Like, literally, let me know if there is a louder one, but I don't think there is. But yeah, so we're gonna hop out in the Polo. Obviously, it's summer now, so it's basically killing all the fucking flies at the front. But yeah, we're gonna get out into the video today. Now we are actually running the H&R springs, which I believe is 45 or 55 on the rear, 35, 100% 35 on the front. Yeah, so we're gonna get out a little drive, let you guys know what I think of the H&R springs. Now it's very windy, so I'm sorry if you guys are struggling to hear me, but the left side doesn't drop as much as the right side always does. For some reason, every time I put springs on, this side always drops more. But as you guys can see, I can't even get 2 fingers in that arch gap, so that looks so much better. Yeah, without further ado, let's get out in the Polo. Let's go for a little back road B-rush. B-rush? You know what I mean. Let's get out in the Polo and let's give it a bit of beating. Foot down is I put it in, so I turn the traction off, but the sport box, put the box in sport, that makes more sense, and then I put it into manual, so I don't actually use sport button because it makes the suspension so stiff and it's actually horrible. So yeah, but I've let the car warmed up. It's almost at 90 oil temp. The car actually doesn't take that long to warm up, surprisingly, so it's actually not that bad. But yeah, oh my, thanks Toyota. But yeah, these are some of the best back roads in my area to be booting it. As you can see, these roads are sketchy, but they're such good roads, man. You just want to beat it. These roads are literally the best roads. Oh my, oh, in hell, fam. But as you can see, you got potholes like that. It's just these roads up, man. It still pulls hard, even, oh my god, even though it's stock power. Still pulls so hard, man. Oh, these roads are so bumpy. Yeah, it still pulls so hard for being stock power. I've never seen. I might just whack a 180. I don't know what this guy's up to, but what is he doing with him? He literally just stopped and was looking at me like, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing, man? People are weird. But yeah, so these roads are good, but they are very bumpy at times, so if we put the window down a bit, yeah, let me put the window down a bit. Actually, I'll put the back left one down so there's no wind noise on the GoPro. As you see, oh my god, you see the bangs are just outrageous. Yeah, these brakes are so good. The EBC pads and the Hello Performance discs are just, actually, it's handled so good as well with the H&R springs. Yes, they are such a hard ride, but the car handles so much better than it did before. Like so much more better than it did with the VOG-TLANs, whatever they're called. It just handles, man. Yeah, it is. It's horribly bumpy, but it actually doesn't matter because it handles so much better. And also, if you guys see on my Instagram, I did actually have, oh, and you saw the last video, I forgot I actually recorded it. I did actually have a misfire on my car in cylinder 1 and 2. So essentially what I done, this probably isn't going to work for everyone, but what I done was put new spark plugs and new core packs in cylinder 1 and 2. And then I essentially put the injector cleaner stuff in. It's like £3 from I don't know if it's like £3 on eBay and Euro car parts and stuff. But yeah, if you guys do want to get that, then I'll leave like a link. I think I got mine from Euro car part, no, Tool Station or something. It was something weird, but I got it from there, and it's just literally like £3. So if you guys do want to get that, then you can. It's actually not even that expensive. Like for a cheap fix, it's not that deep. Like I've been ragging it for the last 1,000 miles since the misfire, and I haven't had a problem, touch wood. And if you can't touch wood, you touch your hat, your head. Oh my god, this video is gonna be weird. For some reason I can't speak today. It's just one of them days. But yeah, and also tonight, oh my god, I forgot there's potholes down here. Also tonight there is going to be a music video shoot for my friend Jay. You probably, if you've been following me for a long time, you'll know Jay. He does music, Jay Supreme Music. Go follow him. But yeah, he's got a music video shoot tonight, so I am going to be recording like it's not a behind the scenes because it's not, but at the same time it is because I'm going to be filming what's going on. But my car is going to be there, so I've managed to organise some drifters to be there as well. We've got like an M4 or M3 and some S3, some turquoise wrapped and all that. So it's going to be a good music video shoot. Just hopefully it all, mate, get over, you stupid twonk, bruv. I ain't going down there. Yeah, hopefully it all goes to plan. These roads are sick for photos, you know. Actually, I might have to hop out and... Yeah, we can't really rag it anymore, sadly. These are actually one of the best roads that I've ever been down. Maybe if I back off a little bit, we might be able to... I don't really think we're going to get far. I just want you guys to hear the farts one more time. It actually sounds sick. I actually love the sound of this car. I don't care if it's only stock power now. It sounds so much better. Honestly, it's the most savage sounding Polo I've ever heard. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you are liked and subscribed. Go and check out DSG Mods, which is my own website for the YouTube channel. You can buy anything for your Polo there. New cars and stuff will be coming soon. Make sure to follow that. Make sure to follow me, DSG Panther, on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, which you're watching this video on. And I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Also, have a good weekend. I mean, it is Sunday, so yeah, have a good week. There you go. Have a positive week. Smash your week. And yeah, just smash your week, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.